Hello, Jasmine and Kayla. So I'm going to look at your work. Let's see. Oh dear. This must be a mistake. Kayla, why is it way down there? And I'm only seeing one piece of art. And let's see if the SWS is a little different. Yeah, so I need to see, great hair by the way. I need to see the Photoshop file. Or not the Photoshop, the Animate file that has your work in it, okay? All right, Jasmine, let me take a look at yours. This may not show up right on my computer. I don't know if I have Garamond. I probably do, but it says it's missing. So what you need to do before you share your work with anybody is you put the live text, the text you can still edit, copy it, paste it over off to the side. And then the work that is shown in the canvas, you break it twice. Let me show you how to do that. Oh, that looks nice. Very nice. Good use of the smear there. See your animation. Perfect. Very nice. Great. So let's say that this, yeah, you did break it. I can see that you did. So why is it saying that something is not broken? Huh. I don't know what that's about, but that looks good. You're going in a good direction. All right, so Kayla, let me try to download yours one more time. I'm not seeing any notes about it. And Kayla, I'd like to see suggestions. If you're looking at somebody like Jasmine's and you don't have any comments because it's so good, then go to somebody else that needs your help. Okay, that's how you get full credit for participation. So I'm downloading yours again. Taking a look here, going into the FLA file. And I'm still seeing the same problem. So where does your animation come from with your face? I'm looking at your library and I only see this image. So something's going on. Maybe you didn't give me the right file. Let me know. Bye-bye.